Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is the Alpine S2. This is the dual 4-ohm voice coil, and I'm going to be wiring it down to 2 ohms in a ported enclosure. And 1.5 cubic feet is going to be my net volume for that. So it should be right on the money. And I do have a 600 watt RMS amp, so this will match up nicely. The product registration, important notice. Alright, there it is. The Alpine S2. Looks like some banana plugs here in the back corner. Had heard some people complaining about this plastic trim ring for the Alpine S and Type R series subs not locking into place, but we'll see. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm kind of hoping this will be similar in output to a JL Audio W6. I'm assuming the W6 will be cleaner, but they are ridiculously priced nowadays. Let's look at the magnet on the back. There's 12S2. Got your dual voice coils. 600 RMS. And I do like that hole for the airflow. That is cool. That thing is beefy, flipping that upside down. Alright, if y'all have had experience with Alpine subs, especially the Type S, let me know what you think. But I think for the money, this looks like a pretty good setup. Alright guys, thanks for watching and have a good day.